Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Capcut and importing the clip you want to translate. Once done, go straight to subtitles and use auto-generate so Capcut creates a timed caption track automatically. Make sure you select the correct source language because accurate detection reduces errors downstream. You should skim the auto captions now to fix obvious misheard words. Correcting a few phrases here prevents big translation mistakes later and saves time when you move to the translation step. Next, translate the captions. If Capcut offers an in-app translate option, choose your target language and apply it to the subtitle track so timing stays linked. If you prefer more control, export the SRT, translate using a translation tool, then re-import the translated SRT. Either way, make sure you manually review timing, line breaks, and punctuation because machine translation can change word length and pace. Adjust subtitle spans so viewers can comfortably read each line without losing sync with the video. Finally, decide whether to burn captions into the video or export a separate SRT. Burned captions are foolproof for platforms that ignore sidecar files, while SRT keeps text editable. Once exported, play the full video to confirm sync, text size, and translation accuracy. If you run into problems like misaligned timing or strange characters, resync the captions in Capcut, re-export the SRT with UTF-8 encoding, or retranslate specific lines. These steps fix most issues without redoing the whole process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.